At first glance, Bayesian thinking and conservatism might seem like opposites. Bayesian thinking embraces adaptability and evidence-based decisions, while conservatism often values stability and tradition. But what if these two approaches could complement each other? Let's explore how Bayesian thinking and conservatism can coexist in today's world. Understanding Bayesian thinking and conservatism. 1. What is Bayesian thinking? 1. Definition: a method of reasoning that uses probabilities to update beliefs based on new evidence. 2. Key principle: start with a prior belief, gather evidence, and adjust your understanding. 3. Example: if you believe a policy is effective but new data suggests otherwise, you adjust your stance. 2. What is conservatism? 1. Definition: a philosophy that values tradition, stability, and gradual change over time. 2. Key principle: preserve what works while cautiously adapting to new ideas. 3. Example: supporting incremental policy changes rather than sweeping reforms. How Bayesian thinking and conservatism align. 1. Embracing evidence without abandoning values. 1. Bayesian thinking focuses on evidence, while conservatism emphasizes enduring principles. 2. Example: a conservative might begin with a belief in traditional education methods. 2. If evidence shows that incorporating technology improves outcomes, they can adapt without abandoning their core values. 3. Pro tip: use Bayesian reasoning to evaluate when change aligns with conservative principles. 2. Gradual adaptation through probabilities. 1. Conservatism favors gradual change, and Bayesian thinking supports incremental belief updates. 2. Example: a policymaker starts with a cautious stance on renewable energy. 2. As evidence of its benefits grows, they gradually increase support while ensuring the transition doesn't disrupt existing systems. 3. Balancing risk and innovation. 1. Both approaches acknowledge the importance of mitigating risks. 2. Example: conservatism might question rapid societal changes, while Bayesian thinking evaluates the probabilities of potential risks and rewards. Tensions between Bayesian thinking and conservatism. 1. Resistance to change versus evidence-driven adaptability. 1. Conservatism's emphasis on stability can clash with Bayesian thinking's openness to new information. 2. Example: a conservative might resist a policy change despite strong evidence of its effectiveness. 3. Solution: highlight how adapting to evidence can strengthen and preserve core values. 2. Bias in initial beliefs, priors. 1. Bayesian thinking depends on starting with reasonable priors, but these can be influenced by conservative biases. 2. Example: a deeply traditional belief might skew the interpretation of evidence. 3. Solution: encourage critical examination of priors to ensure they're rooted in reality. Practical applications of counter-existence. 1. Decision-making in politics. 1. Scenario: a conservative leader evaluates a proposed healthcare reform. Start with prior beliefs about the current system. Use Bayesian thinking to assess evidence for potential improvements. Adapt gradually, ensuring changes align with cultural values. 2. Navigating social change. 1. Scenario: addressing debates around cultural traditions. Begin with respect for tradition. Incorporate evidence showing how small changes can enrich cultural practices. Foster dialogue that bridges conservative and progressive viewpoints. 3. Personal beliefs and growth. 1. Scenario: balancing traditional family values with modern parenting approaches. Acknowledge the importance of tradition. Use Bayesian thinking to evaluate evidence-based parenting methods. Why Bayesian thinking strengthens conservatism. 1. Encourages thoughtful adaptation. 1. Bayesian thinking provides a structured way to adapt to new challenges without abandoning core principles. 2. Bridges gaps between ideologies. 1. By combining evidence-based reasoning with respect for tradition, this approach fosters dialogue and understanding. 3. Promotes resilience. 1. Conservatism gains strength by integrating new insights that reinforce its foundations. Actionable takeaways. 1. Use Bayesian thinking to evaluate when evidence aligns with traditional values. 2. Approach change cautiously but remain open to updating beliefs based on credible evidence. 3. Foster dialogue that respects both evidence and cultural traditions for balanced decision-making. Bayesian thinking and conservatism may seem like opposites, but together, they create a powerful framework for navigating a complex world. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, like, share, and subscribe for more insights on critical thinking and balanced living. See you in the next one.